this week we're going to be talking about Alfred Sisley. He was a British artist born in France, and there are 3 paintings that I have in the Google Docs, and the kids can pick from any of these 3 to do this week. If you notice, they all have a nice sunny glow to them. So they're going to start when they first get there. There's no homework to go over. They're going to pull out their big flat, and then with a nice watery yellow, which is the raw sienna paint with water that you've created for them, they're just going to brush it on, and they're going to brush, 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 brush. Tell them to go over it about 5 times because that will help it to dry quickly. While it's continuing to dry, you're going to talk about the page and go ahead and have them read it. If they can't read, then you can read it to them and talk about the pictures that are there and about his tiny strokes that he did. He had a unique style with small commas. So they're going to have a chance now with their small brush, probably their small flat, to put on some practice strokes onto just some cardstock of just doing some small commas and not mixing those. Unfortunately, our sample painting that we have is too blended. We don't want it to be blended like that. We want them to, when they start doing their painting and they'll work on their sky today, they're just going to use these small little comma marks, these little tiny marks, and not over blend it. Now, when you mix it though, you want to be sure to put plenty of white into the mix so that it's very pastel and has more of the coloring when it dries of his work.